Oh, what's up, guys? Today, I'm gonna show how if you face any uh, truck accident, what you can, how to fix we can truck accident and contact to liars. So here are multiple options you can contact to liar. So here we some mention your large journey, okay. Truck accident attorneys Austin access thousands of semi-trucks transport custom goods and other items across the country daily basis. The large size of weight of these vehicles create a serious hazard of others share the road with them. Many trucks weigh upwards 80,000 pounds compared an average of 3,000 for a car. This is disparity can lead to disputes. Often there is strong individual's concentration of life when you facing the burdens associated with mounting medical bills and vast as your cover is important you have an expert tracker attorney on your side who can make your side are protected. This best way ensure you and your family stay afloat financially as you deal with the difficult time in your lives. The attorneys at Shaw Covert LLP have been helping truck accident victims in the Western Texas area cover the competition they deserve for nearly 30 years. We have seen firsthand the devastation these consolation can cause the victims and their families and are the committed to the constantly forcing your case in order maximum the value of your compensation. You learn about your legal rights and options by speaking your experience. Truck accident lawyers in person. Please call. So, guys, you can call this number and discuss your case. Uh, and other many options are available. You can contents, personal attorney. You can see here. Uh, Whether you were hurt into auto accident, permanent injured on the job, slipped and fell on someone else, properly suffered serve injuries in another type of accident caused by the negligence or wrongdoing of another person, you need to help of aggressive committed law of him. The Austin Personal Injury Law Shaw Covert LLP, a trials attorney with extensive experience in handling complex civil litigation. We respond injury victims like you, and we do not back down until we reach fair resolution, even if that means taking your case all the way through your trial. During the challenging time, you must be confident that you are in good hands. We have a proven track record of chasing local German and settlements on behalf of our clients. We understand that each case is unique and every client has a difficult vision of justice. In addition, in moderate compensation for your losses, we can seek other types of the relief where opportunity. We are ready to start fighting for you and your family today. Please do not wait until it is too late to take the legal action. If you have been injured or lost a loved one because of the negligence or actions another person called the expression the personal journey attorney of Shalon LLP today schedules your free consultation. If you retain will avoid justice to you and your family. Here are some questions. So, personally lies, both them include wire cases and shock over attorneys have research of the combined experience in person cause of such as car accident, motorcycle accidents, semi-truck accidents, bus accidents, and pedestrian accidents, and other types of motor vehicle accidents, birth injuries. What does a personal journey lawyer do? Trying to handle your personal journey claim you own Kaya and the justice you are up against large size company with extension your. So here are you can contact with this if you face any problem you can contact with us. Also you can description and press the like button So here are some compulsory damages in a person in the lawsuit. Calculating damages complex process will work with the medical experts, economics, and others to determine what the lifelong cost of injuries will be. We will demand enough money from the very beginning. If you do not get the care you will find the person in the lawsuit, you will not get a chance to get back ask for more. Compensatory damage, as the name implies, and indemnity for what lost because of injury or accident. In the other word, the compensatory damage you receive the results of putting a dollar figure on the consequences of the accident. There are two categories of customer damages you can cover in personal injuries: economic damages and non-economic damages. So, economic damages are tied to a specific dollar amount and thus easier to calculate than the hospital stays, physical therapy, nursing care, medical equipment, lost wages, loss of earning capacity, visual damage. Non-economic damages are harder to quantity. They deal with losses and are not as a specific dollar amount, but they are no less significant. They include pain and suffering, emotional disease, post-traumatic stress is lost enjoyment of life, wrongful death, loss of companionship. Quantitative damages in a person's injury loss, whereas compensatory damages are didn't make whole for losses you suffered. Punitive damages are designed to punish definitely and deter others from engineering the behavior. Punitive damages are in personal injury case and only handed out when the definite is missed of or malicious intent. So you can see here negligence law in Texas is established negligence in personal injury case. Texas use standards called modified compensatory for also known as a responsibility means that multiple parties can held responsible for the same accident. You are found partially eligible your own journey, your damage may be reduced. So for example, if you 25% responsible damage will be reduced by 25%. Therefore, if you were initially awarded $40,000, your award would now by $10,000 or 50%. So contact asking person generally. So here you can contact also can you call person generally automatic accident, business limitation, probability truck accident. Get in touch. You can here write first name and name, email, phone, type of say cases, message and submit. Then after submitting the company will be contact you soon and first you some questions about accident. So here mention number, so also you can contact here. Here is addresses. So if you any face problem you can see ask in comments and also some links provided in descriptions. Thank you for watching. Bye.